first ever India and Australia virtual summit paves way to conquer a new horizon in the bilateral relations between the two countries, says Prime Minister. New positive cases of COVID-19 in northeastern states. Assam tops the tally with 1,877 total cases. Spike of COVID cases continue. Recovery rate reaches to 47.99% in the country. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visits Silchar, taking stock of COVID-19 pandemic and flood situation in Barak Valley. Veteran filmmaker Basu Chatterjee dies at 93. PM Modi expresses grief. Good evening, viewers, and a warm welcome to Northeast News. I'm Chongamla Thumra, and now the details. India and Australia have committed to elevate the bilateral strategic partnership, which concluded in 2009, to a comprehensive strategic partnership (CSP). The joint statement on comprehensive strategic partnership between India and Australia stated that the CSP is based on mutual understanding, trust, common interests, and the shared value of democracy and rule of law. It reflects India and Australia's strong commitment to practical global cooperation to address major challenges like COVID-19. It is in line with India's increasing engagement in the Indo-Pacific region through her Indo-Pacific vision and Australia's Indo-Pacific approach. India and Australia also recognize the importance of global cooperation for saving lives and managing the economic impact of COVID-19 and future global challenges.
एक्सेलेंसी, भारत ऑस्ट्रेलिया संबंध विस्तृत होने के साथ साथ गहरे भी हैं और यह गहराई आती है हमारे शेयर्ड वैल्यूज, शेयर्ड इंटरेस्ट, शेयर्ड
Indo-Australia relations getting a new boost today. Today's virtual summit level meet will act as a launching pad as opined by experts. Our reporter Kamal Bora reports on the summit and its effective consequences. Let's take a look.
It was a really crucial bilateral dialogue that took place today between Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison in the form of virtual summit. This virtual summit is happening for the first time, and where Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly said to Scott Morrison that though he is trying to strengthen the relation between both the countries, it is going to have a very positive impact on Indo-Pacific region, not only Indo-Pacific region, on the whole, all over the world. It's going to have a very positive impact, and it reflects the old tradition of India that whenever India thinks of development, talks about development, it's never be a self-centered stuff for India. Whenever India always thinks for others too, and we have seen the finest example during this pandemic situation that within a very short span of time, India developed lots of infrastructure. They have developed lots of accessories that is used in treating the COVID-19, and they have supplied lots of material to other countries. It is the finest example. It has tried to save its own people, at the same time tried to help others too. Already an image has been said by this India that it can stand tall in all circumstances, in all situations, because we have seen recently that when the other countries are having still bearing the pain, still dealing with this crisis with a lot of challenges, India is already trying to unlock the situation, the lockdown. They have already tried to end the lockdown. Already lockdown process has ended here, and it is already just started the unlock process here, and trying to bring lots of reforms to expedite the growth of economy here. So this shows the ability of of this government, of this country, and its potentiality can be apparent for other countries, and because of that only other countries right now looking towards India, expecting lots of help at this moment, and it has created a different image for this country. And this dialogue was a right initiative, right step to establish the present image with a very strong base, and really is going to have this dialogue is really going to help in a big way to this country.
The states of northeastern region have witnessed spurt of COVID-19 positive cases in the last 1 week. In Tripura, 151 new COVID-19 positive cases have been detected in the last 24 hours, making the total positive cases in the state to 622. In Nagaland, with 22 more COVID-19 positive cases today, the total number of cases in the state has risen to 80. The Health Department of Sikkim confirmed the state's second COVID-19 positive case. In Meghalaya, a person recovered from COVID-19 today. There are 17 active cases in the state at present. In Mizoram, 3 more people have tested positive in the last 24 hours for COVID-19, taking the total number of positive cases to 16. In Arunachal Pradesh, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases has gone up to 38. In Manipur, the number of coronavirus infected cases has gone up to 118. Assam has recorded a total of 47 new COVID-19 positive cases today. Assam Health and Family Welfare Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma in a tweet said, out of the 47 new COVID-19 positive cases, 33 are from Hojai, 6 from Dhemaji, 4 from Bongaigaon, 3 from Borpeta and 1 from Baksa. This takes the total COVID positive cases in the state to 1,877, out of which 1,428 are active cases. In another tweet, the minister said that 29 more patients have been discharged today after they tested negative for COVID-19 twice. Of the 29 patients discharged, 14 are from MMCH Guwahati, 5 from Faruquddin Ali Ahmed Medical College Hospital, 4 from Silchar Medical College Hospital, 3 from Golakhat Civil Hospital, 2 from Dhemaji Civil Hospital and 1 from Guwahati Medical College Hospital. The COVID-19 deaths toll in the state still stands at 4. Reports just received says 111 new COVID cases increased the state tally to 1,988. The central government today said that the recovery rate reached to 47.99% in the country, and the total number of recovered people from coronavirus reached to 1,04,107. During the last 24 hours, 3,804 people have been cured. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry said 9,304 cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases to 2,16,919 in the country. This is the highest spike in the new cases in one day since the outbreak of the corona pandemic in India. During the last 24 hours, 260 deaths have been registered, taking the nationwide toll to 6,075. The fatality rate is 20.80%. The Health Ministry said that 952 dedicated COVID hospitals with 1,86,332 isolation beds, 21,393 ICU beds and 72,762 oxygen-supported beds are available in the country. Coronavirus is continuing its spread across the world with over 66 lakh confirmed cases. More than 3,88,000 people have lost their lives in the COVID-19 pandemic. The US so far has the largest number of COVID-19 positive cases, according to Johns Hopkins University. The US has highest number of COVID-19 fatalities with more than 1 lakh deaths. Meanwhile, Brazil and Russia have witnessed spurt of COVID-19 cases and emerged as the new coronavirus hotspots. The coronavirus is affecting 213 countries and territories around the world. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal today visited Silchar and took stock of COVID-19 pandemic situation of 3 districts of Barak Valley. The Chief Minister held a meeting with top officials of 3 districts of the Barak Valley and discussed flood situation in the valley. The Barak Valley districts witnessed heavy landslides in the current week, of which 21 persons were killed. Assam Health and Family Welfare Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma today, while taking stock of the situation of COVID-19 pandemic in Biswanath district, said the state government has been constantly trying to strengthen the capacities of districts. The minister held a meeting with top officials of health, police and civil administration of the district. The minister was also accompanied by State Handloom and Textile Minister Ranjit Datta, Tejpur Lok Sabha MP Pallab Lokchand Das, Minister of State for Health Piyush Hazarika and 2 MLAs of the state's ruling party.
यहाँ पे কি ধৰণে কাম-কাজবিলাক চলি আছে, বিশেষকৈ ইনষ্টিটিউচনেল কোৱাৰেণ্টাইন, হোম কোৱাৰেণ্টাইন আৰু পজিটিভ পেচেণ্টৰ চিকিৎসা, এই গোটেইকেইটা ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কথাবিলাক আলোচনা কৰোঁ।
The centre on Thursday launched an urban learning internship program, TULIP, for fresh engineering graduates who will get an opportunity to work for 4,400 urban local bodies and 100 smart cities in the country. Housing and Urban Development Minister Hardeep Singh Puri and HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank jointly launched the program and an online portal of TULIP through which applicants can apply for internship for up to 1 year in interested areas like urban planning, financing, environmental engineering, sanitation and infrastructure. Puri said urban services in the country are very comprehensive and this program will offer on-ground experience for fresh engineering graduates, asserting that it is a dynamic model. On his part, Pokhriyal said the government has an aim to provide internship to 1 crore youths in the next 5 years in various sectors. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma reviewed the COVID-19 preparedness at Williamnagar in East Garo Hills and visited institutional quarantine centres and interacted with the inmates. He also inaugurated the Corona Care Centre at Williamnagar. Under the initiative of the Deputy Commission of East Garo Hills, Swapnil Tembe, the Chief Minister distributed general knowledge books to the persons undergoing quarantine. The Chief Minister held a meeting with the officials of administration and the Health Department and urged the citizens not to panic as the next few weeks will be challenging as stranded citizens will return home. He visited the civil hospital Williamnagar and inspected the facilities. Veteran filmmaker Basu Chatterjee, known for his middle-of-the-road cinema and films such as Choti Si Baat and Rajniganda, passed away from age-related health issues. He was 93. Basu died in his sleep at his Santa Cruz residence. Known as the chronicler of Indian middle-class anxieties, his best-known works are Manzil, Aspar, Shaukin, Chichor, Piya Ka Ghar, Khata Mitha and Bato Bato Mein. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed grief over the demise of filmmaker Basu Chatterjee. In a tweet, Modi said Basu Chatterjee's works are brilliant and sensitive. He said it touched the people's hearts and represented the simple and complex emotions as well as the struggles of the people. The Prime Minister expressed condolences to his family and innumerable fans. Now, to end the news, the headlines once again. First ever India and Australia virtual summit paves way to conquer a new horizon in the bilateral relations between the two countries, says Prime Minister. New positive cases of COVID-19 in northeastern states. Assam tops the tally with 1,877 total cases. Spike of COVID cases continue. Recovery rate reaches to 47.99% in the country. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal visits Silchar, taking stock of COVID-19 pandemic and flood situation in Barak Valley. And veteran filmmaker Basu Chatterjee dies at 93. PM Modi expresses grief. And that's all in this bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.